Want to display each variant as a separate product? Introducing the Variator app, your ultimate solution to improve product visibility and take your sales to the next level. The Variator app seamlessly integrates with your Shopify store, and you can choose between showing all variants or just selected ones on the collection page. You can show variants with multiple options, like colors, sizes, and whatever you want. And guess what? You can hide sold-out products on collection pages. With Variator, customers can easily spot the perfect variant right from the search page, making your products more discoverable and increasing their chances of landing in the cart. But don't just take our word for it. Hear it from our satisfied customers. Our app has garnered rave reviews for its simplicity, effectiveness, and the boost it brings to sales. Try it today and transform the way your customers shop.